Good morning. My name is Pratik Tiwari. I am the founder and CEO of Living Greens. This is a familiar sight in almost all the cities. Empty rooftops, lying barren, exposed to sun, heating up your house, heating up your building. So much of vacant space not being utilized. Living Greens has been doing something very innovative for the past 7 years, and it has converted rooftops into lush green organic farms. Welcome to our urban farming center. I would like to show you what we are growing on our urban farming center. These are our fruit bags in which we are growing fruit plants. This is a lemon plant. Here we have a moringa plant. This is a smaller version of a portable farming system which is 5 feet long and 2 feet wide. We are growing fresh organic coriander in this. Wow, amazing. Just pluck it and use it in your kitchen. This unit is 10 feet long and 2 feet wide, and we are growing fresh organic okra in this, ready to be plucked, ready to be enjoyed. We've been talking a lot about immunity. This is how you increase immunity, by growing fresh organic vegetables on your rooftop, harvesting them and using them absolutely fresh. Look at this. This is red amaranthus, and this is a powerhouse of iron. It contains a lot of iron. This is green amaranthus. This is a leafy herb which can be grown in the most extreme summers, and you can freshly harvest it from your rooftop and cook it in your kitchen. These are our bitter gourd creepers. They're coming up very nicely. Very soon we'll have lots and lots of delicious bitter gourds hanging from these creepers. This is chili here. Chili plants growing. Wow, let me show you this. This is we are growing brinjals here, and my God, look at the amount of brinjals that are growing here. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely abundant fruiting of brinjals happening here. And the most interesting thing is that all this is being grown in an extremely lightweight, soilless organic medium. This is a bottle gourd. You can see bottle gourds here. More bottle gourds right here. All these can be very easily grown on your rooftop by setting up these portable farming systems. This is sweet corn. Look at the absolutely uniform growth of all the plants. This is the beauty of this organic soilless medium. And the most interesting thing is that this organic soilless medium goes on for 6 to 7 years, and with the passage of time, it actually becomes more nutritive, more fertile. Let me shock you. We have strawberry growing here in Rajasthan in the month of June on the rooftop. Isn't that amazing? Strawberry on the rooftop in the month of June in the peak summers of Rajasthan. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Strawberries on the rooftop in the peak summers of Rajasthan. And not only that, let me further shock you. That's guava which has started fruiting a few days ago. Now you can see the guava fruit here, more fruit here. Please remember, all this is happening on a vacant rooftop. This is a fruit bag. Here we have a custard apple plant which is about to start flowering, and then it will be fruiting. That's moringa. Please remember that your rooftop can be a food growing space, and you can grow fresh organic vegetables on your rooftop by putting up these portable farming system. Enjoy fresh organic vegetables every day. Grow them yourself with your love and care, and convert your rooftop into a lush green organic farm. Thank you very much.